Have you ever sat down to enjoy a delicious plate of shrimp and wondered if there are certain foods that just don't go well with it? Shrimp may be small, but it's powerful in flavor and nutrition, and pairing it with the wrong ingredients can affect not only the taste, but also your digestion and overall health. The truth is, while shrimp is versatile and goes with so many dishes, there are a few things you might want to avoid eating alongside it if you want the best experience. One of the classic combinations people talk about is shrimp and dairy, especially milk. In some traditions, it's believed that mixing shrimp with milk or other dairy products can lead to digestive issues or even skin problems. While modern science doesn't strongly back this up, many people still choose to avoid the pairing because it can be heavy on the stomach. Imagine creamy milk or yogurt together with rich shrimp. Sometimes that combination just doesn't sit well. Another thing to be careful about is too much vitamin C with shrimp. This is not about the natural vitamin C in fruits and vegetables, but more about high doses from supplements. There's an old caution, especially in traditional food knowledge, that combining shrimp with very high levels of vitamin C could potentially cause stomach discomfort. While this isn't something most people will experience from a normal meal, it's still worth being mindful of. Shrimp is also best enjoyed without too much oily or overly fried food. Because shrimp itself is light and low in fat, pairing it with greasy, deep-fried sides can take away from its health benefits and leave you feeling heavy. That doesn't mean you can't ever enjoy fried shrimp, but piling it on with fries, creamy sauces, or other oily dishes makes it less of a nutritious choice. Another thing people often forget is alcohol. Eating shrimp while drinking heavily, especially beer or liquor, can sometimes trigger gout flare-ups in those who are prone to it. Shrimp contains purines, and when mixed with alcohol, it can raise uric acid levels, which is not ideal for joint health. So if you're someone who struggles with gout, it's better to limit that combination. So, what not to eat with shrimp? Avoid heavy dairy pairings, be mindful of too much vitamin C from supplements, skip excessive greasy sides, and go easy on alcohol if you're sensitive to it. Shrimp shines the most when paired with light, fresh, and balanced foods like vegetables, rice, or pasta. That way, you get all the flavor and health benefits without the downsides, making your shrimp meal as enjoyable as it should be.